guys, I'm gonna play this.
Charge, Daphne.
Nandito yung pambahay. Magbibigay pa kayo pambahay naman.
We're gonna play. It's scary.
I don't want a nature bag.
Oh,
This.
Hindi na ano.
ay ano,
Dito matutulog si Daphne.
tapos tayo.
This is my true face.
Kasi ang aircon, di naman pwede ang aircon, di ba?
Pwede mo. Ibig sabihin, dito kayo muna.
Clean and smooth skin.
Oh, sige, pero pagkatapos
Eh, kayo,
ng rice
saan?
cooker.
Skincare every day is important.
Nasa sahig kayo, di ba may alikabok
Clean
rin?
work figure.
Hindi, mama, nag-map na ako
This
dito.
hair is
bagong
cool.
dala ko to.
What a sexy dress. What a handsome guy. She will love it.
Oy,
Kasi yung mama mag-base ng pambahay.
the other bag, baby.
That's
The
my
other one.
outfit.
Yes.
Ang may tablet.
Mag-base mo na kayo.
Let's go.
Mag-work. Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi pala pwede yan dyan.
Hindi ba parents working naman? I need a family. Huwag
Nagcha-charge.
na anak, bukas na lang basta Ha? Ay, hindi nag-work? Gumagana yan.
Ano po kasi po ito po? This is a weak charger po.
Try mo doon. Ano? Tapos naka-aircon ka, so bukas ng pinto.
Okay, guys.
Lagyan mo na ano.
Ayan na, nausog na. Sinaglagay ng, ano,
If you will
ilagay ko
pick
yung
a song,
Lagyan mo ng matiga. Ay,
be
matigas.
careful at bad things. So for Sergio song, if it's bad or not.
Yes.
Rubber ball.
Yes.
Binukol buhat na rubber. The rubber
Very
ball.
good, ha? Oh.
Mommy, I need 100 pesos for
Ano?
Mother's Day.
Wow.
Amen.
Bigyan niyo daw kayo ng 100 pesos. Or kanina 1,000.
Uwi kayo 100 pesos to Lola?
Apa, for Mother's Day daw.
No need. I have plenty of money. I have money.
Yes.
Don't give money to Lola kasi I have money. Just say, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Lola's
Ayan,
Day.
si Daphne naggagawa siya ng crochet.
Happy Lola's Day.
Anong crochet?
Don't give, ano ha? Oy, mga apo,
What?
don't give money to Lola ha?
Why pa?
Just greet.
Happy Mother's Day.
Kasi you do not have work yet eh. So saan kayo manghihingi?
Kila mami
Sabi niya, Mami, bibigyan ko si Lola ng 1,000. Saan ka kukuha?
Never mind, just say Happy Mother's Day.
Mama, dun kayo.
Let's just share isa ba?
Kasi,
Dito ang question. Diyan
Mamaya.
yung last na matulog.
pwede na rin, oh, mamaya kasi.
Dito ang Daphne, dito na si Lola nag-question.
You see, my money is here.
Kapante na naman.
Yeah.
Asan kayo kumain, Mama?